Every time we make an announcement that Jesus is the answer, we need to start asking, what is the question? You cannot just tell me it's an answer when there's no question. And any religion that matures must start questioning itself. It is in questioning yourselves that you begin to grow. In our infancy, when we were young, we believed everything. In maturity, we question everything. The religion that says, give me that old-time religion, is wrong. We're in this trouble because of old-time religion. Let's have commitment, education, but old-time religion cannot work. In conclusion, we needed to start finding for ourselves as Christians, is the miracle something that is external, or is the real miracle what is internal? And I want to challenge you. All other demonstrations can happen externally. Until your heart changes, there's no miracle that is taking place. And many of us want to see apparitional miracles. We want angels to fall from heaven. We want fire out of the mouths. We want men to fall from heavens. We want people to guess our passwords on our cell phones. Then, oh, men of God, go deeper, men of God. And that's not a miracle. The real miracle, the things I used to do, I do them no more. The places I used to go, I go there no more. It was a great day when I was born again. So if you are looking for a miracle, look for the internal works of grace, not for the external demonstrations of acts.
Thank you very much.